Today, we will talk about index-linked bonds, definition, how they work, and example. An index-linked bond is a type of bond in which the payment of interest income on the principal is tied to a specific price index, typically the consumer price index. This feature helps protect investors from changes in the underlying index. Index-linked bonds are also known as real return bonds in Canada, Treasury inflation-protected securities, TIPS, in the US, and linkers in the UK. A bond investor holds a bond with a fixed interest rate, also known as coupons. However, as time goes by, inflation increases, eroding the value of the investor's annual return. Index-linked bonds help mitigate the impact of inflation by adjusting the interest payments for inflation using an inflation indicator, such as the Consumer Price Index. This provides a hedge against inflation and ensures a known real rate of return for investors. Let's consider two investors, one purchasing a regular bond and another buying an index-linked bond. Both bonds are issued and purchased for $100 with the same terms. At maturity, the regular bond will pay $104 to the bondholder, while the index-linked bond will pay $105.53, adjusted for inflation. The annual interest rate on the index-linked bond is 5.53%, and the investor's approximate real return rate is 4.06%, calculated as the nominal rate less the inflation rate. Here are two key takeaways. 1. Index-linked bonds, also known as Treasury inflation-protected securities in the U.S., pay interest linked to an underlying index, such as the Consumer Price Index, CPI. 2. These bonds are beneficial to investors because they are less volatile than normal bonds and help reduce the risk involved with uncertainty. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.